Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share with you an amazing natural remedy that can really help with menopause symptoms. We're talking about flax seeds. Yes, those tiny seeds can have a huge impact on your well-being during menopause. They might be small, but they pack a powerful punch. Flax seeds are packed with phytoestrogens, which are plant-based estrogens. These compounds mimic the function of estrogen in your body. These natural compounds help balance your hormones and can significantly reduce those pesky hot flashes. Imagine feeling more comfortable and less sweaty throughout the day. Studies have shown that women who include flax seeds in their diet report fewer and less severe hot flashes. This can make a big difference in your daily comfort. That's a win in my book. But the benefits don't stop there. Flax seeds are also great for managing mood swings. Menopause can be an emotional roller coaster, but flax seeds can help smooth out the ride. The omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds support brain health, which can help stabilize your mood and keep those emotional roller coasters at bay. A more balanced mood means a happier you, and let's face it, who couldn't use a little mood boost now and then? Feeling good mentally is just as important as feeling good physically. Another fantastic benefit of flax seeds is their ability to support libido. Maintaining a healthy sex drive can be challenging during menopause. Hormonal imbalances during menopause can really put a damper on your sex drive. It's a common issue that many women face. Phytoestrogens in flax seeds can help restore hormone levels, potentially reviving your libido and rekindling that spark. It's a natural way to feel more like yourself again. Feeling confident and happy in your own skin is priceless. Now here's how you can easily incorporate flax seeds into your daily routine. It's simpler than you might think. The simplest way is to add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your smoothies. It blends right in and you won't even notice it's there. Plus, it adds a subtle nutty flavor that complements most smoothies. Or, you can sprinkle it on your oatmeal or yogurt. It's a quick and easy way to boost your meal's nutritional value. It adds a nice nutty flavor and a little crunch. Perfect for those who enjoy a bit of texture in their food. If you enjoy baking, you can also mix ground flax seeds into your bread, muffins, or pancakes. It's a versatile ingredient that can be added to many recipes. Remember, the key is to use ground flax seeds, not whole. Ground flax seeds are easier for your body to digest and absorb. Whole flax seeds can pass through your digestive system without being fully absorbed. Grinding them ensures you get all the benefits. You can buy pre-ground flax seeds at most grocery stores, or grind them yourself using a coffee grinder or blender. It's convenient and ensures freshness. So, there you have it. A simple natural remedy to help ease menopause symptoms. Adding just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your daily diet can make a big difference. It's an easy and effective way to support your health. Give it a try and see how it works for you. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Your support means the world to us. Take care and stay healthy. See you next time.